What's good, world? It's your boy TWiZ, and welcome to another tutorial edition of 5 Minutes of TWiZdom. And on this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to make sure all your platforms is accessible with just one click. Stay tuned.
What we're gonna learn right now is how to create your SmartURL link, so that way you can just get all your fans and the people who follow you to reach all of your platforms by one single click, one link, one click, to have access to all of your platforms. So right now you want to make sure you go to www.smarturl.com or just type in, well, this is a little different, manage.smarturl.it, but you know, Google it, whatever, it'll take you to the website and you're going to come to this home screen. All right. So obviously, to actually get the full basically features of SmartURL, it's going to ask you to you know, start with a plan, $49 a month. And the cool thing about having your own SmartURL is you can make it customizable. So it will have its own thing that you want to have it, your own special link and stuff like that, and has a bunch of different features on it. But if you are kind of like, you know, yeah, I just, you know, trying to check out the free option, this is the way you want to go ahead and do that. So the first thing you want to do is have your other tabs open. So what you want to have is have your YouTube video of whatever it is that you want to put for your YouTube. This is our recent single that we dropped earlier this year, The Journey, featuring Jason Dow. And, you know, this is something that we have going on right here. And then, you know, we open up our DistroKid, which provides us with all the links to the different websites and platforms that we want to be able to put on there. Some of them in DistroKid, some of them they don't not necessarily put all of the links on here. So you would have to basically create a new tab to manually get it. So I if I was you, I would open up Google as well. So that way you can, you know, look up the rest of your songs or whatever. But, you know, just whatever you have, if you have just an easy one, or, you know, multiple tabs of each store that you want or website or whatever, just make sure you have your links ready to go, and you're good to go. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on pivot, whatever you want to say. All right. And they're still asking you if you want to get plans and stuff like that, pre-save songs and stuff like that, but it's all Gucci. So the first thing you want to do on the left hand side, it'll just tell you just different little things that you have on here. And so you hit standard, pivot, and then the first thing it's asking you is enter Apple Music / iTunes URL to automatically pull product. So that's what we're going to do first. Click on Apple Music. It's going to take us to our single. This is our single. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Make sure I put that back over here. All right. So we're going to copy paste that. And what it's doing is just validating, making sure all of the links that has to do with Apple Music, it's automatically doing that. And right here, this is product image. This is where you could upload something, maybe like your cover art or anything like that. You could upload that, but right now we're not going to worry about that. Okay. Then see, so it automatically did that already because, you know, Apple Music already has that for us. So it went ahead and did it. It already titled it what it is. It already titled what's going on. So that's good. We don't have to do anything else. It already did that for us. Cool beans. This is where you would add your social media. So I'll go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and do that. So we're just copying our social media for Facebook. Boom, boom. This is our Instagram. Boom, boom. That's that. If you have a website that you want people to go to, cool. LinkedIn, Snapchat, cool. Got my Snapchat right here. Boom, boom. All right. So just to put a little bit on there. All right. So right now we only just have Apple Music going on. We want to add more stuff on that stuff. So what you do is just to scroll down a little bit more. So Apple Music is what we have right here. It's already loaded our picture. We already put in a little bit of our social media. Cool, cool, cool. It says schedule iTunes rescan. You don't have to do that. And they'll tell you a little bit here. A scheduled rescan will check for additional countries that were not available when the SmartURL was created. But if you already released your song and it's already, live through your distribution, it should have everything already right there. All right, cool. And here is just telling you SmartURL verified. It says this retailer is available in all countries. So it already has all the information. You don't have to touch anything. The only thing that you could do right here, it automatically did this. This is where you change the retailer, and you'll see when we go down to the bottom how you can adjust that, and you can change your call to action, listen, watch, etc., etc. But for Apple Music, all you could do is just really listen to it on there. And then down here it already answers the questions. Country destinations are there places that need a different URL, which it doesn't. Well, it says yes, but it already did it already. This is available in United Kingdom, Germany, France, Australia, whoop-de-boop. And it also adds in the iTunes link. It automatically does that already, which is cool. Hit add retailer to add somewhere new. And so we want to go ahead and we want to add our Spotify on there. So you just, copy your link for your Spotify. All right. So we can just, we can type it in. So Spotify. And obviously they have Spotify French pre-save. I don't know what it takes to or whatever, but this is just regular Spotify. Boom. Hit Spotify. All right. So automatically the logo pops up right here. Call to action. Listen, because that's what you do on there. Or if it's something else that you may want, you could type that there, and instead you could type in stream, whatever. And so this just the link that it goes to it. It says this retailer is available in all countries. Cool. And it says, where are the people going? Obviously you want to just paste your link right there. It's going to verify it, making sure Spotify is cool. All right. Whoop-de-whoop. It's good. It says, are these places that need a different URL? Hit yes. And then you have to put the country URL. But for Spotify, it doesn't need all that. It just, you just put that to where it's going because it already has the information. Here we are again. Add another retailer. Yes. All right. Where else do we want to get people to go? All right. We want people to go to Google Play. So we'll copy that. All right. Boom. Get that out the way. Go back to our SmartURL tab. So we want to say Google, Google Play App Store. Okay. You could do that. Or you could just say Google Play. Whichever one. Same thing. Whatever. You could buy it on there, or you could change the term again. It already has that set up. Where are the people going? Hey, boom. We're going to post that right there. It's doing what we do. You don't want to have a different URL unless you have one, which we don't. All right, click that. All right. And let's see, Deezer. Copy that. Come there. Deezer. Cool. It's going to show just the same thing. All right. You can say listen, whatever. Where the people going? Boom. All right. So we're just going to do that for time's sake. We're just going to keep it at that. Hit no. And so when we come down here, it's already created our basically what's going on, and let us know the title, The Journey, featuring Jason Dow. This is a single and it's produced and by TWiZ. Here's our cover art. It says Apple Music, listen, iTunes, buy, Spotify, Google, Deezer. All right. So here you can add a logo if you want to. It'll say upload image or use image URL, but I don't feel like we need to because we got cover art. It says add audio video player. So the Spotify URL or Apple Music, iTunes URL, this automatically is right here where you can play. And that's provided by iTunes. So when you play it on here, it plays the sample from iTunes. But I want to go a little bit more. You know, they already can do that from right here. They can check out my YouTube. So I want them to check out the video. So you come, get your copy, get your link from YouTube and hit that. So when you do the video, it's going to take place of the player that was up there before. Autoplay video is on. It's going to pull it up here. So the very first thing they see is our music video at the top. So if they want to go ahead and watch the music video, they could just click on it. If they don't want to watch the music video or nothing real quick, they can come check out the different links right here. You can customize colors. All right. So it says header colors, white. Let's change it to red. Choose. It's going to change it again. It's red up here. And you can get a little bit more customizable. You can change the background color, social icon color. Now, if you notice up here, I forgot to tell you guys this is your social media stuff right here. So if they wanted to click on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, all the links that we provided above, they can click on that and they can go from there. OK, and you can get, you know, real off the chain with it if you want to. But to me, this looks OK. It looks fine. Product image settings. You can control the border, the desktop. You can do all that stuff. So I put 18. It makes it look bigger. Okay. And like I said, it's a bunch of different stuff. Layout, retailer, first mobile. So if you want more people to check out the mobile view, you have that on here to where it looks more mobile friendly. Let's see, you got offers. Maybe there's some offers you may need to do. Apple Music offer. All right. And then you got preview versions. It allows you to see what it look like on the phone and what it looked like on a computer. All right. So that's pretty dope to be able to see what it's like. And then you say preview country. It says view our retailers. You could do that. And say, for instance, you messed up or whatever, you hit the reset and you just do it all again. So the next thing you do is when you come down here, you see this red little, nah, you can't do this because you don't have an actual account. You can't do that. But you can choose between one of the two, the hyper URL.co, and then you can type in whatever it is that you want to put at the end, or you can come to merchlinks.com and you can type in whatever it is that you want to have. And then you could type a description, whatever it is, you could put in a folder. If you want to change the heading of the title, you could change that. Custom social image, you can change it again. And of course, they're going to ask you to sign up at the end, but you don't need to do that. This is advanced. You can't have access to this stuff over here because you're not registered to the full thing, but it's all Gucci. You ain't got to worry about it. And here they has other things that you have. Hit that I'm not a robot and save SmartURL. And once you save the SmartURL, if I was you, I would copy the link and I would send it to your email or send it to your phone, copy it, write it down, whatever you need to do to keep it, because you have to create an account and they'll save it for you. But you know how technology is. You want to back it up and make sure you have it saved so that way you can use it. And like I said before, it works pretty much. Those links pretty much work everywhere. except YouTube. I know I tried putting it in my YouTube. It didn't work in my YouTube, but it works in my IG description bio. It works on my Facebook. It works in text messages. It works in my emails. It pretty much does what it needs to do, and it's free. I ain't gotta worry about necessarily signing up, paying monthly fees and all that stuff. It's absolutely free, and it does what I need to do, and it looks pretty organized. All right, so you want to make sure you just hop on this, create that, and boom, you're done. So just to show you, let me log in. All right, so I log in through my Gmail, pretty much that simple. And here it just tells me, it just tells me how it done. You can come get your links and stuff here. This one the journey had 96 clicks. That song only had 25 clicks. This song had 58 clicks. That had 134 clicks. And, I have my YouTube and stuff, and it just depends on how much you promote it. And you click on it. It'll take you to what it looked like. It'll allow you to change it or whatever the case may be. But, this is what ours looked like. That's what it looked like original, Listen, all of that. And you Gucci. So I hope this serves you well. And it's a really cool thing to do. And that's all it really is. Really simple. It's free. It allows you to allow your fans and the people who are checking you out just to really pick which way they want to listen to your music. 9 times out of 10, they're going to want to go straight to your YouTube or, to check out your music video, because that's where it's at right now. But, if you want them to check out your Spotify, make your Spotify your first one. You know what I'm saying? Make your Apple Music, check out Spotify. Click Spotify on here. Check Google Play. They can check whatever they on. So like if they have Google Play, they can go check it on Google Play. You know what I'm saying? If they want to check it on Spotify, they can listen on Spotify, Apple Music. It just makes it really, really, really simple for them to click on which one. You know what I'm saying? It gives them the option of where they want to listen to it. To do it. And you're good to go. And I know, like, say, for instance, if you're not just promoting a single, say, for instance, you got a lot of things going on it. You can have this could be your single. This could be a link to your YouTube. That could be a link to if you have like a tutorial or something like that going on. This, if you have a class or other business that you got going on. And this don't necessarily have to be for music. You could do whatever you want to. But, for us, we do it for music. So, just utilize it. It's a really good tool. It allows you to, cut down the confusion of going to this website, that website, stream this, listen to that, watch this. That's a whole lot. You're posting a whole lot of different stuff. Just have your traffic come to one click, and it's been real easy. A lot of the people who have used this for us say, hey, this is really dope, and it's real good. So I hope this served you well. I hope this is something that that's dope, and pass it along. All right. It's been another episode of the tutorial edition of 5 Minutes of Twizzle. It's your boy TWiZ. I'm out. Certified.